gonna make a little short video about truck driving school. You go to these truck driving companies and they'll pay for your, reimburse you for your schooling. Sometimes they'll even pay for your schooling if you'll sign a contract with them. Most of the time it's 2 years. Truck driving school is really expensive though. You're looking at spending between $5,000 and $10,000 going to truck driving school. We got one up in Princeton, Indiana. They'll send you to their school with KC Transportation. I'll put a link in the description below. But they'll send you to their truck driving school, pay you $100 a week. No, $400 a week while you're going to school. They'll furnish your motel. You do have to furnish your own food. So they're going to pay you $400 a week to go to their school. You do have to sign a contract with them also. This is the good thing. When you get out in a truck and start driving your own truck, they're going to take $100 a week out of your check. Not too bad. At the end of 18 months, they're going to cut you a check and reimburse you. Well, I think it's about $4,800. They're going to cut you one check for $4,800. It'll be tax-free. So what they do, they charge you for going to their truck driving school. But if you drive for them, they're going to give you a job. They're going to take out that money per week. And at the end of the 18 months, they're going to cut you that check. You'll have a good job. I work for KC. This is one of the better jobs I've had. I've worked for Swift. I've worked for Averitt, FedEx. Didn't make the money that I made with them. A lot of these companies, they'll promise you all these. They'll promise you 60 cents a mile. What they don't tell you, that's on miles that's 200 miles or shorter. And if they send you on a 200 mile run, then they let you sit for 24 hours. Or they pay you $50 layover. What they'll do, they'll let you sit somewhere for 20 hours, run you 100 miles, and then you're sitting again for another 20 hours. It ain't that way up here. You're going to make money up here. We haul car parts. Car parts is a different animal. You're going to run somewhere between 23 and 3,800 miles a week. Home every weekend, wherever your home domicile is. We have 5 terminals. One in Princeton, Indiana. One in Michigan, somewhere. One in Kentucky somewhere. I forget where. Loudon, Kentucky, which is close to Georgetown, Lexington area. Got one in Sherman, Mississippi, which is close to Tupelo, 90 miles south of Memphis. We get out, come home every weekend. We're home either Friday or Saturday and Sunday. The run I'm on. The sitting is what's going to kill you. When you're sitting somewhere, you're not making money. When you grab a load up here, when you're hauling car parts, they send you to wherever. Just say Nashville, Tennessee. If you go to Nashville, Tennessee, they have an appointment time. You go up, take your break, pick up your load at your appointment time, and you head back. If you got time to run another run when you get back, you're going out again. I'm running Buffalo, West Virginia. So about 630 miles one way. So So I leave Sherman, Mississippi, go to Buffalo, West Virginia, take my 10-hour break, get up the next morning, grab my load, and I head back to Sherman, Mississippi, wide open. Yesterday I didn't even make it home. I made it about an hour away from home. It happens. I'm home usually every other night. But it's perfect for if you're like down on your luck, lost your house, don't have anywhere to live. Man, just stay in your truck. You got it made. You're making $1,500 a week living in your truck. That's the way to go. But anyway, if you decide to go to truck driving school, give this place a shot. My name is Barry Fowler, Fowler. I won't make any money, none, if you sign on. They don't pay for student drivers, but if someone wants to want to join and they're a seasoned driver, I'll get a little sign-on bonus, $300 or $400, I don't know. But for student drivers, I don't make a dime. I just want to see everybody change their lifestyle. You know, if you're out here, you're making $30,000 a year doing a job, or $20,000, whatever. You give this truck driving school a shot. It'll take you a month to go through truck driving school, month, 5 weeks, depending. Then you get out of there, you'll do a 6-week training with a seasoned driver, and after that, they give you a truck. You start rolling. And I'm not kidding. It's assholes and elbows. When you're hauling car parts, you're rolling. But that's how you make your money. You don't want to be sitting in a parking lot 20 hours stuck. You usually get home on the holidays. Get 1 week off in July, another week in December. Plus, we get 2 weeks paid vacation. You can take your vacation in July and December, take it and get paid, or you can skip getting paid then and take a vacation in October and one in March. That way you'll get 4 weeks off a year. That's usually what I do. I like being off as much as I can. If you really want to make some money, you can make $60,000 a year going to school and doing this. If you really want to make bank, if you really want to change your lifestyle, run teams. Just tell them you want to run teams. You need a partner. $90,000 a year. That's good money. When you can go and take your kids on vacation and Disney World and not even have to worry about it, that means a lot. You can pay your bills and not have to stress about them. That means a lot. I'm sending my wife right now to our truck driving school. If I was to send her to TDI, it would be $5,500. I'm not going to be out anything out of pocket. Sending her up there, they're going to pay her $400 a week. And when she gets out, I'm going to train her. Then me and her are going to run teams. That's how you change your lifestyle. Anyway, I'll put a description and my email address in the description below, or the website for KC Transportation. If you think you might be interested, look into it, give it a shot. Y'all have a good one.